Welcome back to another episode of my Philippine Loop adventure tour. This time, I'm finally heading to Baler. It's a 400 plus kilometer ride and I'm rolling out of Aparri at 3 a.m. Heading south on the Maharlika Highway, I'll make a quick coffee stop at a roadside driver's hub. Glad to have my ox lights. They make riding in the dark so much safer. Passing Tuguegarao, I'll take a short nap, just enough to recharge for the long journey ahead. As the sun rises, we enter Isabela, where the long, straight roads give us stunning views of the Cordillera Mountains in the distance. Endless rice paddies stretch out on both sides. A peaceful provincial ride. By mid-morning, I'll stop at Buddy's place in Madela for a heavy breakfast. The perfect pit stop as I enter Quirino province. From there, it's the Nagtipunan mountain pass, a real challenge with its twists and climbs. But the reward? The breathtaking descent into Aurora's coastal roads. This will be my longest ride yet on this tour. But after hours on the saddle, rolling into Baler will make it all worth it. Finally, we are at Baler. Good morning. It's 3:17 a.m. Naka-picture na ko and everything regarding sa akon nga the usual loop things, auto, and akon pictures load with my passport. Everything is loaded up. I'm currently at Hotel Dian and malakat na ko. I'm going to Baler, diretso na lang ko. So it's probably one of those days long trips, pero that's why I started off very early para hindi ustang init and I can make good time. Hopefully makaabot ko to not too late. So it's about 8 hours of travel. See? Setting off early for this long ride to Baler, hoping to make good time and avoid riding too long in the heat. Aparri is still a few kilometers from the Maharlika Highway. We're on the main highway. We just left Aparri dito. Now we're on the back on the main highway going to Tuguegarao. It's I think 70 kilometers. But for our turn, we just have to keep going straight. Alright, by the way, I've noticed na damo gidiya sa 24/7 nga gasoline stations. Grabe din, ulol ba? Hindi mo ride kamay. Dulo ito eh. Yan dapat main highway na eh. Basta pa ito ginasuga ito. Ito diya ginandamo. Isuga lang po 7-Eleven. After a while on the road, it's a good time to stop, stretch, and grab some coffee. A much needed break after a while in the saddle. A quick reset like this makes all the difference. The coffee did its job. I'm feeling more awake now, so it's time to pick up the pace. Ox lights are a lifesaver in these conditions. Pitch roads, ongoing construction, and rough patches along the way. Now I can see the sun rising on my left, but sleepiness is creeping back in. Time to push forward.
Chill Nagtipunan. We still have 309 kilometers left, around 6 hours and a half. Pero malasig-lasig na sa magbuang adlaw.
As I entered Tuguegarao, I couldn't shake off the drowsiness. Spotting a well-lit waiting shed, I pulled over for a quick 5 to 10 minute nap. Riding while sleepy, not my thing. I'd rather take a short break and get back into the right headspace and push through and risk it. That power nap did wonders. The sun is finally up and I feel refreshed. Time to pick up the pace.
Good morning, boys. Time check 5:21 a.m. I just took a quick break sa Kinisudalan and took like a 5-10 minute nap, and now the sun's up. Finally, I can ride very aggressively. Alright, let's go. Grabe, ako ito pulig isang isang 10 minute break plus kahinano ko na eh. I was getting sleepy. Kaya as usual, kung manugwang adlaw, katuluyo ginaya. Pero now kay nagnap ko before sina, I'm kinda energized. So
we're exiting Tuguegarao without heading into the city proper. Good time as we cross Buntun Bridge, the gateway back to the provincial roads. From here, we ride into Isabela province.
It's 5:41 in the morning. We still have 290 kilometers left. 6 hours pa. Panto sa Baler. Left side kita ma-turn na sa unahan. I'm just taking it slow. May pole sa unahan. Ang concern ko lang is basing mag-ulan. Hopefully hindi. Damo construction. Ano yung pakagina? Ay, naku. Good morning. I think ka muna yung pinaka-tadlong-tadlong ka lang. Agad sinta sila. I don't know. Lapad-lapad po. Tatalong-tadlong. Please don't ride!
I'm on the long stretch in Quezon to Rojas, Isabela. About 40 kilometers of open road. It's a good chance to take it easy and just cruise. The Sierra Madre mountain range is visible in the distance. A nice backdrop to the right. Besides endless rice paddies, a familiar sight in these parts. Simple, quiet, and a good stretch just to enjoy the ride.
Waiting siya na madre na. Sarang kita sa Rojas, Isabela. Woohoo! Alright, so Isabela na kita. This is pretty, ano yung kita namin view? Very provincial, the roads are very provincial. Pero, wala ko yung problema. Traffic siya ng Mike, of course, may klase na as I expected. Basta lapit na lang ang D7. Students are gonna rush in. Sakit ang bakal. Ano ba? So, yes. Sadly, wala kita ka padasig-dasigin, pero that's not too bad. Gives me the time to appreciate ang Isabela. Pero tadlong-tadlong na dyan pa rin yung gina. Diretso na yan, yeah. Sila 228 kilometers left, around 5 hours.
It's 9:09 a.m. I'm currently here at Buddy's place. I don't know exactly kung diin siya, but I'm on my way to Baler. Ang timing na nga may kalandaan sila din. Gutom na ko. I haven't had breakfast and I've been awake since like 1 a.m. or 2. Bakod mo ako, dahil lang. So nakita ko na yung Buddy's place na sikasuginhan. Ayan, nakibot ko kay sa corner. Mayara da sa widow sons na dako yung insignia, may wall sila isang stickers. Hindi ko, oh shit, kasi rider din man ito iya nga. So uto daw, rider. Pero naman namin ang food doon. Order ko pares. Burgers. Honey or coffee. What? Alright, so update lang sa ride. I've been awake since 1 a.m., 1 to 2 a.m. Gina. And this is my first, I took off from Aparri around 3 a.m. This is my first real stopover. I still have like 3 hours lang siguro pagkadto sa Baler sa hotel. So yeah, I'm just taking it easy for now. At 2 p.m. naman ako check-in. Pero so close. May mga daw, mga 5 tingan. So, mag-guide naman. So, kondisyon na ko. Yeah, so, honestly, liwat. this is a great pit stop para sa inyo if you're traveling on this side from Baler going to Aparri. This is a really good stop. Buddy's place, of course. Best stop over sa Bilog. Buddy's Place in Madela has solid meals, good coffee, and a convenience store. Everything you need to fuel up and reset before hitting the road again. Perfect for a long ride like this. Alright, good morning. It's 9:56, so 10 a.m. na. We are going to Baler sa ating hotel. I just stopped here at a sa Buddy's Place. I don't know kung diin siya exactly, but if you are going, may gasolina, may total na di. If you are going to Baler from Aparri or the other way around, and if you are passing through, this is probably one of the best stops nga mahapitan mo. Okay, first of all, may gasoline sila, of course, total legit wala sa may restaurant sila dire which serves good food. I think may cafe man, so coffee is pretty good. Kaya I think ang pinaka-importante nga bagay, CR natin, no? The CR is pretty clean, may bidet, and they have a convenience store nga if you need to buy some personal necessities like me. I bought some wipes before mag-CR. I'm feeling refreshed and ready for the twisties ahead in Nagtipunan. The highway leading to the mountain pass is stunning. Wide roads, smooth pavement, and the Sierra Madre as the perfect backdrop. I'm keeping a leisurely pace, just soaking in the view. It's about 80 to 90 kilometers of winding roads before I hit the coastal highway in Dinadiawan, where the mountains finally give way to the sea. Kapoy tarang pangkinganay. Okay. Back na the highway. Oh yeah. Highway. Finally, I'm done with the twisties and back on the coastal highway. After all those turns, it feels good to be on open roads again. I spotted a guy on a scooter, pushing a pretty fast pace. He was carving through the curves smoothly, and I couldn't help but enjoy watching him take on those turns.
Finally, we are at Baler. It's 12:05 in the afternoon. Actually, not too late. Mas nami tulo ko na ako sa set up kay gintago ko akong camera diyo. So, kitang-kita ginang akong Philippine Loop. Alright, so it's 12:05. We have like 15 minutes, 8.6 kilometers pa to sa atong accommodation. That's it, bro. Tapos na da yun. Alright. Whew. This is probably my longest trip, I think. Or layo lang sa akin tungod ng wala expressway. I'm not sure. I think siya gid in terms of kilometers. By the way, halin pa ako kagina tuyo. Swerte lang gina kay may ara kita na sa bahay nga scooter. Pucha mama with siya. Pero actually nalinga ko tayo manong gina kay natuyo na ako. So sa akin pa una ako, sunod ko na sa para dumayupod mo bla. Gusto ko with Baler. Of course, because sa sine. Apocalypse Children. It was held in Baler. So gusto ko na. Ano to? Probably one of my favorite films. Worst drama siya. Filipino. Hello, ma'am. Nag-inquire ako, ma'am. Amihan, Aplaya Lodge, ma'am. Ay, ito yun. Okay. Saan po yung ano, ma'am? Oh. Oo. Yan yung reception.
After the long ride, it feels great to finally crash at my accommodation, Amihan Aplaya Baler. I found them on Facebook and they hooked me up with a good deal. After unloading my gear and taking a breather, I took a walk along the coast, snapping some photos. Baler's beach isn't your typical white sand postcard perfect paradise. It feels weathered, almost forgotten, but it's still full of life. People are out there, riding the waves, feeling the ocean's pull, and just soaking in the raw beauty of this place. 400 plus kilometers later and I'm finally here, Baler, a ride that started in the dead of night, weaving through empty highways, endless rice fields, and the unforgiving twisties of the Sierra Madre. Now the mountains are behind me, and the ocean stretches out in front, raw, untamed, and constant, like the road itself. This place isn't about comfort or luxury. It's rough around the edges, weathered shores, the sharp scent of salt, and waves that never stop rolling. People come here to surf. They come here to share stories over beers and bonfires. And I'm one of the lucky few to enjoy this place.